Hi, my name is John, product developer of Python, the easiest, fastest way to compress your sleeping bag. About a year ago, I was camping with friends out at Garibaldi Provincial Park, and I had this idea. Could we build out a better compression sack? You know, one without the buckles and belts. I'll show you what I mean. I purchased this from REI about a year ago. You can get these at MEC as well. This is pretty typical for a compression sack. It has 3 parts, has a hoodie, the belts and buckles, and it has a body. If you've ever used one of these, you know how difficult it is, time-consuming and laborious. I came back to the office, put pencil to paper, drew out a lot of different designs, created tons of prototypes. Of all the different prototypes and designs, there was one feature that stood out, one critical feature, and that is the compression ring. I attached that compression ring onto a mesh nylon sleeve and called it Python. This is what it looks like today. Compression ring, mesh nylon sleeve, and a tail section. The tail section has 2 parts, has a handle, and it has an internal clip. That internal clip is for your convenience. You quite simply attach that to your sleeping bag, wake up in the morning, never go searching for your compression sleeve. The Python comes in 3 different sizes: summer, spring, fall, and winter. In addition to our Python, we included a new product, Anaconda. This is really good for wetter conditions. So if you're boating, or you're canoeing, or you're kayaking, or you just want to put your sleeping bag on the outside of your rucksack, the Anaconda is for you. It has all the same great features. It has the compression ring, and it has the tail section with the handle and the clip. The only difference here is the material being used. We're using a 60 denier ripstop PU-coated nylon with welded seams. The Anaconda comes in 3 different sizes as well. We have the spring, fall, winter, and summer. We've had friends and family test out our product. Now it's your turn. It's your turn to order a Python and experience what compression really feels like. Now get out there and have fun. Thank you.